Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Yesterday we already discussed and learned about the initialization of one-dimensional array, and also we have a look upon the practical implementation of one-dimensional array. We already write a program and run it, uh, run on the screen. So today, now we are going to look upon the another program, which is how to access a data from an array. We can look upon this example. This example shows that how we can access our data by using this for loop. So today we are going to write this program and run this program and to have a look of the output of this program, how to access our data. So first of all, we are going to run the Turbo C compiler. This was our yesterday's program. So we are going to start a new program. Today our program is how to access our data array from an array. For this purpose, we are going to start our program. First of all, we include this header file by using this preprocessor director iostream.h. Then we are going to include another header file by using this preprocessor director. Then we define function starting after main function. So before going to access our data, we must declare and initialize data with some values. The values, any values we can give to our program, which is like this one. So now we are using for loop. Integer I is equal to 0 and I is less than 5. We can say that less than 5, and we can also use the I is less than or equal to 4. We can use, but here we use less than 5. Then we are going to run cout a I and then handle and terminator and get ch terminator and the closing of the program. Now first of all, we are going to save this program. Access of array, we write it name access of array. Now we are going to execute the program. So you can see that 32758, these are the values this array is going to access. Now we are trying to sometime this Turbo C program gave us some error because it does not support the GUI environment. That's why we must write a program, and then first of all we must save our program. Just because that if there is something wrong with our program, then our program must be saved and we can use it. So now if I'm going to change the value of the program, as you can see that the value is here. These are the values we are going to change. So this here we already declare and initialize the array. Here we initialize and declare the array, and here we are going and here we are going to access the array, access the array elements, data items, access the data item. We can access it here. This is the one way we can access our array. We can access any other method by using any other method. This method we are going to use this for loop. For loop include that first of all for loop use this initialize I is equal to 0, then I is less than 5. We already learned about the for loop, though we can, if we want to use it, if we want to access the um, elements of an array, we can access it one by one. By this way we can use cout a 0 and l terminator, and then we can use cout a 1 and l. Now if I'm going to run this program, you can see that there are only because just because I haven't used clear screen, that's why you people are maybe confused about the output. Now output must be clear, and only two values are there, the first one and the second one. Then we can use cout a and 1 2 2 and l terminator, and now then we can again look upon our program. The third value is there, and then cout a 3 and then and l terminator. And make the little bit bigger so you can easily have a look upon the program. Fourth value is there, and then cout cout a 4. By this way we can access the array one by one by using the index of the array. Any values you want to display of the array, you can use it. You can access these value. If we want to access these value, only these value display over there. So this is the way how to access the array element. There are multiple ways to access the arrays element. If we want to access the each and every element of the array, we can access it by using for loop, as you can see this for loop. And if we want to access some values of the array, we can use it by accessing it one by one using the index of the array. So this one is the first, the second method to use the access of array. Then we already have a look upon another program which we already learned about it. Which one is how to write an index in the array. Basically, the writing in the array is the first process, then the access of the array is occur. First of all, we must write something into the array and then we can access the array, so array element. So now this is the program which is shown by us, that how we write something into the array. So now we are going to look upon this program, that how we can write an array. Oh, sorry, I already opened a wrong program, so I must close it here. Then mm, we are going to run the C language. Then again, now this program I want to open, and then new program. We open a new program here. So now writing at an array. How to write something into an array? First of all, we must include iostream dot h, and then we must include on io dot h on dot h. Then function are there, starting of main function, and then we declared an array of having value 5, and this is only the declaration of array, not the initialization of the array. So we can write something in this array like this, that we use assignment operator. By using of this assignment operator, we can have the any value into an array. You can see that this one, and then uh, we can write some arrays value by using of C, by using of cin statements. Cin statements uh, is the runtime statement. Then we can have write some value on runtime. So for that purpose, I write that something on the screen. Enter any number, and then this cn, and then I give the array value of 1 2, and then I write another cout and enter any other value and terminator, and then I'm writing cn a 3. So by this way I already use this one cout, enter any other value, enter any another value or integer or something, cn a 5. Then to show these values, um, now I'm going to show you all these values out, a 0, a 0, and cout, and cout a 2, and cout a 3, cout a 4, and cout a can see that we can also use and then here, and then we can use and then here, this one and handle here, and then here, and then handle. So now we must do something here to have something. Now when we are going to run this program, okay, then we already have missing this before this get ch, and then we are going to use this statement over here. Now when we run this program, enter any number, 15 and 17 and 18 and 19. You can see that how we can use this number again. Now we show here some clear screen. To clear the screen, then we can run this program. Now 16 and 17 and 18, and then you can see that 12, 15, 16, 17 and 18, there is some value over here. What this one 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, but and this one is, this statement is already wrong, so we are going to delete this statement 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you can see that en, and then you can now, the program is here 17 and 19, 12, 15, 16, 17 and 19. Why is this program shows, see, okay, here we have something wrong. So now program is clear, 16 and 17 and 19. So 12, 15, 16, 17 and 19, all these values are here. These values already been given by us. So some values we already write in this area by using equal to statements, and some values we given this array by cn statements. So by this way we can see that we can write the values in this array by using cn statements and by using some assignment operator. So these two programs already I have done in front of you. Then you can see that how can we access our value from array, and how can we how can we access our value, some value, some data item from array, and how we can write some values from the arrays. So that's all for today. Thank you.